Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I will show you how Gemini 2.0 can become your ultimate fitness companion, helping you set, track, and achieve your fitness goals with ease. So sticking to a fitness plan can be tough, whether it's staying consistent, tracking progress, or figuring out uh, what works best for you. It's easy to lose motivation. Gemini 2.0 makes the process seamless by helping you plan smarter and stay accountable. Gemini 2.0 isn't just an AI assistant for work, it's also a fitness ally with its intuitive goal tracking and progress monitoring features. You can stay focused on your health and wellness journey. So, first, define fitness objectives such as weight loss, muscle gain, or endurance improvement. Get personalized workout and nutrition suggestions based on your goal. Next, log workouts, steps, calories, or any metric you want to monitor. And on to the next step, stay on track with scheduled notifications for workouts, hydration, and meals. Lastly, Gemini analyzes your progress and offers suggestions to improve results. For example, imagine your goal is to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. Here's how Gemini can help. First, I'm gonna say my goal is to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. Okay? Now you're gonna set your goal, input your running time and target time. Let's say my running time 7 a.m. 7 sharp. Okay. Alright. And the target time is 6:30. Is 6:30 or 6:30, because let's say running time should be before that, so let's say 6, target time is 6:30. All right, next, create a plan. Okay, Gemini will design a 6-week training schedule with daily run distance and rest days. So I wrote down my running time and target time. Gemini will help me set the goal right here. If you're new to running, start with a run walk program to gradually. Strength training, focus on exercises that strengthen your legs and core. And stay motivated. Gemini sends motivational reminders and milestones like you're halfway to your goal. Okay, and by the end of 6 weeks you're running faster, staying consistent, and hitting your target time. Okay, so you're gonna see right here, remember it takes time and dedication. You're gonna see basically all of it. So I'm gonna type instead schedule to reach to that goal. Okay, hit update. Gonna see the response. Warm up, cool down, listen to your body, proper running form. Right here, the first week, this is the schedule, right? The second week, rest, and then Tuesday, 35-minute easy run. Cross training, 35 minutes easy run. Right here, the fourth, fifth, sixth, and basically so on and so on, right? And basically, you can see right here, this is the schedule, right? And I can go in depth, plan my meals to reach to that goal. And you're gonna type in your weight, let's say 65 kilograms or 120 pounds, whatever, and height 180. Right, you're gonna follow up with basically Gemini so it can help you prepare for your meals to reach to that goal, right? So now you have the schedule, right? Schedule to, how to reach that goal, right? Next, you're gonna see the meals that you can take, right? So you reach to that goal, all right? And make sure to mention that what's your goal of reaching that. Do you want to build more endurance? Do you want to gain muscles, or do you want to lose fat? So if you are going on a 5K run in under 30 minutes just to lose weight, you're gonna have to mention that right here, that my goal is to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. Give me schedule to reach to that goal because I want to lose weight or gain muscles, or basically I build endurance. Okay, you're gonna see right here the schedule, however, right, in the meals, right, that you can take in order to reach to that goal. You're gonna see right here, day one, breakfast, mid-morning snack, banana with peanut butter, lunch, pre-run snack if running in afternoon, dinner, and evening snack, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna see your plan. So fitness success is all about consistency and smart planning. The Gemini 2.0 is here to make that easy, whether you're starting a new workout routine or leveling up your performance. Let Gemini guide you every step of the way. Try it today and see how far you can go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch up in the next videos.